Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is a week's worth of mess. It was a long work week and it's time to clean. If you know me, you know this is not typical. My house is usually spotless, clean all the time. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna hold you. I have been going through a rut. I have been unmotivated, a little bit down, and just in a rut pretty much. And today I decided let's go ahead and pick up that energy, pick it back up, get it back together, and let's start by cleaning this house, clearing that negative energy and removing clutter. Here we go. When I clean, I usually start by sweeping. I know that's really backwards, but I just can't deal with walking in my mess and tracking it everywhere else. Does anybody else do that, or is it just me? Let me know how you start your cleaning routine. Another thing I do when sweeping, I don't use the dustpan. I sweep it out the front door. A little hoodoo practice, gathering all that negative energy and sweeping it out the door and letting it go. Now time to go ahead and get started on this laundry. I didn't even finish all of my laundry last weekend. Let me know if you guys like the music. I was going for like a really chill vibe where you can get a cup of coffee, relax, get motivated, kind of get you started to get going on this cleaning this beautiful weekend. Cue the ASMR in 3, 2, 1. I hope you guys enjoyed that little ASMR. I like to sneak it in. I love the sound of water. It's just so relaxing. Now here, I'm finally folding those clothes that we washed in the last episode. These clothes will be going to Plato's closet. Couldn't think of the name. And I'm trying to get rid of as much stuff as I can before moving. So I'm going to see what they take, and whatever they don't, I'm going to list it on Poshmark. As you can see, my style has been all over the place. I don't know if I would call it style, but it's been all over the place the last, I feel like these clothes are from over a decade in between. So yeah, there's a little bit of everything here, and I'm just really wanting to re-innovate my style, just start fresh. Also, the Poshmark will be listed in the description box, hopefully, if I remember. Note to self, leave Poshmark link in description. Time to vacuum. I decided today was a full vacuum day. Every room needed a deep vacuum. And you guys, I can't wait for you to see the end of this vacuuming. It was so gross. Much better. So here I had to print out a few return labels. I have a few returns that I've been holding off that I should have got rid of a week ago. So we're doing that today. And we're also moving some things around just so we have some more space. I am gonna redo that shelf next week, clean it, and repack everything. And also pack some more things so I can just start slowly getting rid of stuff and packing to move. It slipped my mind that I changed internet providers, so I had to update the Wi-Fi on the printer as well as update the firewall, which was taking so long. But finally we got it up and going and got the stuff printed. More laundry. So today I had during this video I did about 5 or 6 loads, and when I tell you I have like 6 more, I feel like I won't be done until Sunday. Oh my god. Let's tackle these dishes, get all this cleaned and tossed and thrown away. It's nothing like a good dishwashing and wiping down all the counters and getting all that extra stuff off the floor. Ugh, best feeling. Alright, now it's time to do these dishes from last night. It's really gross. It was just so reviving to go ahead and get these clean and done. Enjoy. How do you guys prefer to wash your dishes? I like to use extremely hot water with a whole bunch of Dawn soap, extra bubbles, and then I rinse it with extremely hot water again. Now it's time to clean the counters. I went ahead and disinfected everything with bleach and some cold water. And my goodness, it smelled amazing. So fresh. So this past week I went to Target to get this mop. I've seen it all over social media and I love it. It's amazing, really easy to put together. And then when you're done, you just toss the little mop head in the washer. Simple, easy peasy. Love it. If you guys don't have one, go get it. Like I said, I've been sick and unmotivated, so I haven't mopped in about 2 weeks. So the floor was pretty dirty, and I'll actually show you guys the mop water to see how much dirt came off the floor. It was disgusting. Did y'all see that water? Nasty. But like I told you earlier in the video, so much laundry. That right there, that laundry basket, all dirty. I am still doing laundry as we speak. So I rotated my mattress and we're now putting on the sheets. There's nothing like fresh sheets. Oh my gosh, they were so warm and cozy and they smell so good. I have 6 pillows on my bed. I know, excessive. How many pillows do you guys sleep with? Here is the rest of the vacuuming clip. I vacuumed the rest of the house, and you guys, this is the long hole. This is what I was talking about. All that dirt and dust. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my. Anyways, this is the finished product. I cleaned the bathroom off cam because I was just tired and ready to be done. Everything's clean and fresh. Oh, amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Have a good weekend.